Hello, it's Craig from fixitfallows, and today we're with the BXT 145 Pro, and today we are going to fix the slipping seat post. So as you're aware, the 145 has this very aero seat post, and underneath this rubber boot you have the wedge clamp. So I've already undone that. If we lift out the seat post, that's the wedge clamp. So this actually acts simply by pushing the seat post back against the back of the frame to try and secure it, and it's just done on friction. Here you can see I've put a bit of tape across the seat post and I've drawn a line. Now that demonstrates the maximum insertion of the seat post into the frame. As you can see on my frame, there is a definitive stop point for the insertion, as there is a moulded ridge around the inside of the seat post tube. So this is the minimum height of the saddle. But I prefer to ride about 10 mils higher, about here approximately. But no matter how much I tighten this wedge clamp up, this seat post will slip down during the first couple of miles of a ride. So to overcome this problem, I have designed and printed this wedge. Now if we take out the seat post, take out the wedge so it don't fall down, and then I can just lower this insert in. I can place the seat post back in, and as you can see, the maximum insertion has changed. It's now 10 mil higher. So 10 mil is perfect for me. No matter what happens, that cannot go down any further. And you simply put the wedge clamp back in, tighten up. That is secure. That will not move. In order to accommodate for other seat post height needs, I've printed these 4 different wedges. 25 mil, 2 10 mils, and a 5 mil. This will give a range of movements between 5 mil and 50 mil in 5 mil increments. And then once you've established your desired stack height, you just take a cable tie, pass the relevant pieces through. Let's go for 35 mil. So we're using the 25 and a 10. Thread them through like that. Pass that end back through. Fashion it as you see fit. And then that can be lowered into the frame. So that 35 mil stack you just saw me make, I've already inserted it into the frame, and now I might wish to remove it. So having undone the clamp, I'll remove the seat post, remove the clamp, stop it falling in, and I just reach down in to take it out. It's as simple as that. Now in the event that you can't reach down far enough to get to the cable tie, you can just fashion a bit of wire like that, or any other hooked tool that you might have to hand, reach in and hook it out. For anyone who might find this useful, I shall be making this little kit available on eBay. There will be a 25 mil, 2 10 mils and a 5 mil spacer and the cable tie. This little kit will give you a range of increments between 5 and 50 mil in 5 mil increments to secure your seat post. I'll leave the link in the description. Well, there you go. There's the last remaining little niggle on my BXT 145 Pro resolved. The seat post will no longer slip. All that's left to do is to get out and enjoy the bike, enjoy this glorious summer we're having here in the UK, and as ever it's left for me to say thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Maybe check out some of my other videos, and no doubt you'll see me again very soon with something else that I'm tinkering with. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye bye.